At number 5 we have Donald Trump's Boeing 757 at an approximate value of $100 million. At number 4 we have the military powerhouse, the C-17 Globemaster at an approximate value of $328 million. At number 3 we have the military fighter, the F-22 Raptor at an approximate value of $350 million. At number 2 we have the longest aircraft in the world, the Boeing 747-8 series aircraft at an approximate value of $357 million. And finally at number 1 we have the largest commercial passenger aircraft in the world, the mighty Airbus A380 at an approximate value of $404 million.